today.
Oh.
Some point. Well, it's not that much, but. I think you're gonna like my video when I upload it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You invited me, huh? Huh? You fucking bastard.
Yeah, I do whatever the fuck I want, huh?
I said an AB one. I'm here.
Oh my. Oh my god. Hey, what do you want to play?
I want to kill guys.
Yeah. They said, that's my last straw, Jacob. Ah! YouTube just like, nice channel.
Ever seen the fucking Discord thing? Like the video where it's like Adam and Eve and it's just like, hey, nice apple. It's just like,
Yeah.
God, are you fucking kidding me? Leaves.
Yeah. Like all the fucking, well, all that.
Yeah.
Is my mic sound okay right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. I didn't want to be obnoxious.
You know, are you loading in the game?
Yeah, I'm already
Oh,
in.
yeah, I did.
Oh, I was about to press deploy and then it ended. Alright. Awesome. You know what, man?
Hey, we got experience. And apparently I got 5 kills and 5 deaths. What the fuck?
Raw? Yeah, I said I got 30 kills and 5 deaths.
What?
Hell yeah, dude. Look at that. Fuck, I got a shit ton of XP for no reason.
Raw?
Yeah.
What did you get?
3,643.
Yeah, I'm only got 2,539.
See, I don't even need to add effects anymore. Dude, I added a fuck ton of effects in my first video. It's about to be ass.
Yeah.
The orcs.
Is it searching for the game?
Oh, you're not? No, I didn't press next match. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
I said, you fucking idiot. Say, Christensen, jump off the fourth deck. Apparently, my career average for XP is 2,000.
Hold up. Wait.
Going in.
I just got back. My mom just got home, and I haven't seen her since the weekend.
Nope.
Bro, Nate got me popped, bro.
Why, I peeked everywhere?
Yeah.
Again? Does Nate
In the bathroom.
Nate, why are you just such a lightweight?
Not even that. Just why does he drink so much knowing he's lightweight?
Your dad said, keep your head down. I said, oh. I'm actually kind of like, watch me get over there, and they're like, you're going in. I said, oh, what the heck? But like, what the fuck? Alright, every class is taken. I'm just going to be a rifleman, I guess. Goddamn, dickheads.
Get ready! I got no kids, so I'm gonna run straight to C. Where you want me to run it? Should I run it at A or B?
Dude, just full send.
What?
Full send.
I don't know if that's some sort of homosexual terminology, but...
Oh!
Oh, that is, what? Take that back right now.
I don't know. Could I?
Say psych right fucking now.
This side right now.
Say psych right now.
JK. Unless?
Oh, I'm going in.
I'm going for B. Okay, I'm on C! Yes, Mr. Gay. Jesus Christ.
Got one.
Okay, they're everywhere. I thought you guys were on sea.
Hey, we're on sea!
Oh, dude. I fucking shot above his shoulder. I think one thing I'm gonna cut out is like all the time, like after I die, like the respawn. That's about it.
Yeah.
And then of course like stopping and recording, I guess. Enemy on B. I need to try to go to the gym today, dude. I've been just getting drunk all weekend.
Took a few tries.
Got B? What the fuck?
Grenade! Grenade!
Huh. Oh, dude, fuck.
I'm capturing B.
Oh, yeah, you were. I got killed. Like a bitch.
Me?
That was a quick match.
I did it.
Save lots of them for later.
Hmm.
Insurgents definitely have the better weapons.
Yeah, I like the insurgent weapons more. Personally.
That was pretty decent.
Oh, yeah. It's high caliber.
That recoil on the AK is quite bad.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Hey, I'm gonna load up! Move!
He said, "Oh!"
Dad. Oh.
Tell me more, tell me more.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
See? So we don't want to run to C fast, huh? Yo. You alive, Jacob?
No, I'm dead as hell.
Oh. What the fuck is Taco doing? Taco, get in there.
They need us, come on!
Jeez.
Look for enemy!
Hey, image Charlie. Oh, what is this?
Taking Charlie, taking
Yeah.
Delta.
See that rainbow thing somebody painted?
Alright, yeah, you just.
I just walked through a door.
Sniper on the right side.
New magazine!
Frames.
Smoke out!
Raw. Charlie has been secured.
Truck going left side road towards Bravo.
Rah! I want to protect C.
Yeah, same. I did just unloading rounds.
Their cash next to Jackson.
Stuff with all this like artwork around. I just noticed that. There's like a lot more artwork now in the game, like on random walls.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I've noticed so far.
What's in there?
Broken flash! Yo, hey, I'm loading up.
Yeah,
Boys.
raw.
Well played, well played.
Jesus,
Stop coming on
the fuck, kid?
Coming on your mom.
Sound way different.
Oh,
Better start digging then.
oh.
Steve Urkel, motherfucker.
What? You say Steve Urkel?
Yeah.
The fuck? I went 3 for 3. You say Christensen? That's garbage. Garbage.
There's ass in the mic. Oh.
Ah! Push security. Crossing. Tell me more. Tell me. There you go. Damn it. It took Demolitionist. I guess I could play Breacher. It's alright. He's the Cobra. What is this again? Yeah.
You all ready? If you're ready, go prone.
If I'm ready, what?
Prone, go prone.
Hey, if you're ready, prone.
Before you
Go prone all the way.
Going to your mom.
Oh, Jesus. This dude in mom jokes is stepping out of line. So that's the
That's
last
the
straw.
intelligence unit at Marines to come get this dude. Give us his address. Oh. Target neutralized.
Uh-huh. Oh, don't shoot me, don't shoot me.
Target neutralized.
Oh,
Target
fuck.
neutralized. On the lookout.
damn it, dude. Fuck. Oh my god. Jesus, I'm fucking garbage.
What happened?
I was like prone, and then I fucking saw the dude, and I shot him too late.
The green dude, let's go.
I know where he's at now, though. I'm coming for his booty hole.
Dude, fuck this sniper guy.
Yeah. See if I got him. I don't know. I'm gonna throw a grenade over there. Dude, it's pissing me off. Hey, Jacob, come right with me. Can you?
Yeah. While I'm alive.
Yeah. Make it a smoke or something. Or do you have a smoke on you?
Mm-hmm.
Here, follow me. Follow moi. I need to kill this dude. What the fuck? Alright, so there's a dude camping like a fucking behind this wall over here. This ways. So, oh. In front of
Where?
us. In front of us.
Yo, hey, hey,
Hey, watch out, running across. Oh, fuck, dude. God damn it. Alright, our whole plan with the shit, we got blown up. I feel like this map's just so easy to defend on.
See shit.
frag going out.
We can try right again, I guess. Did you get across to that wall, Jacob?
I'm in the tunnel.
You made it all the way across, bro?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Alright, I'm running to the tunnel as well. Or no, I'm gonna go up top.
That dude didn't die?
Ah, shit!
You're last alive.
Oh my god. Garbage.
He said get in a single fire. Oh. Behind you, Greenhorn. To your left. Behind you. By that truck. Jim.
Oh god.
Grenade!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of you. Fuck off out of here. Get out! Out! And one more thing. Get out! Romantic dinner. More like a fucked up dinner.
Suck my fat dick, motherfucker.
Oh my god.
Like that one too.
Oh,
How many
oh
times
my
did you
god.
shoot him?
3.
Side note, you'll never reach ghost.
I can't believe that dude didn't die. Oh my god. That was bullshit.
Were you out of ammo or what?
No, I don't think so. Maybe. How do you change your fire rate again? Is it an X?
X.
Yeah, I forgot.
We're going left.
Yeah, I'm gonna go left as well.
Truck going around us.
One of them made it past me on
My
left.
retard that one.
God damn, I didn't make it across the road. Fucking hey.
Where are these niggas at?
Pop. Pop. Yella. Yella.
Yellow?
Yella. 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 Said the wise man. God damn, what the fuck? Enemy left side? I think he's flanking far left.
truck?
Helicopter.
Behind
Oh, I
you!
hit it! I hit the helicopter, dude. I hit it, bro. My
Shit,
RPG.
come on. Oh,
Yeah, dude.
Get on the point.
Fucking hit that
on the
shit.
last wave, bro. Oh my god. They got in.
Fuck.
Bring what you need.
I mean, I guess at least I hit that chopper. That felt kind of cool.
That's all that matters.
It was for the clout.
It's so hard to hit fucking helicopters with rockets in this game.
I don't know. I kind of just let it, man. Helicopter kind of flew into my missile, to be honest.
No way they shot me through that.
Dude, fuck me, bro. There's no way none of those shots hit. I can't believe that. That was bullshit.
Pilot somewhere. Chopper just came.
I'm just gonna pick marksman, bro, and start sniping people.
Oh!
Tell me more, tell me more. I'm back.
Hey, hey, spread out.
Are there more guys on B or did everyone die?
Looks like we have 3 guys on B.
Oh my god.
They have 1 wave left too.
I'm trying to get to a sniping position.
Last wave.
That's most stairs outside of B.
Nice.
One of them's inside of that gas station. Fuck.
They're on B.
Hey, everybody go to B. Stop them. Stop.
Get on B! Get on it!
Bring what you need.
There's only one guy on B as well.
I know, dude. Thank God.
Suck my dick.
I know I'm so young, I know I'm so done, I be on that gang shit.
Oh my god.
But y'all kept coming by that fucking garage that were getting destroyed.
They're okay. I did 7 and 8. They might mess around more with the marksman class. Kind of like it.
Hey. Hold up.
Lift the jug and drink a bit. Oh, this is good. This is really good. What a drink! Lift the jug and drink some more, and drink some more. Drink the lot.